Every now and then, a new piece of technology comes along that can help us improve our life, or changes the way we live, or increase the productivity. FOCI AI is one of those. FOCI AI uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to process our breathing pattern and give us feedback on our emotional state. It can help us to boost our focus and concentrate on the task at hand. Now this is a clever gadget right here, and inside the box we can see it is quite small. So you basically clip this one onto your body. So let's see if we can open it. So there is a USB charger cable, and then we're just going to take out this small gadget right here, and it's quite small and looks really nice as well. It's cleverly designed. It's kind of like rounded at the top right here, and you can just clip it onto your belt, or onto your shirt, or anywhere that you want to have it on your body. You can charge it here. It uses an old USB port to charge. So this is the charge cables. You can plug it into your phone charger or your mobile device charger, and then you can just charge it up. The FOCI Gadget provide emotional feedback on 4 different areas, and that is focus and flow, relax, fatigue, and stress. So with these 4 different areas, when you get a feedback, you can try to determine if you're stressed, then you need to relax a little bit. If you want to really focus on your work, then you need to make sure that the feedback is based on focus and flow. Now, to make the full use of this gadget, we need to install an app. So on my Android phone, I'm going to go to the Play Store and install FOCI, and tap on the install button, and we're just going to wait for it to download and install. You can also install it on an iPhone if you are using an Apple iPhone. Now, at the moment I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S20, so I got the Android phone. Okay, now that it is installed, we need to plug in the gadget into a power adapter right here, and then it is plugged in. Now we just need to open up the app, and then you need to sign up or log in. I just have already signed up, so I'm just going to log in now and agreed on the term, and then put in your email and password. So now I'm just going to log in, and I'm not going to save the password now. And then to access external devices via Bluetooth, it requires some permission, so we're just going to grant permission, and it should try to pair with your device. Now if you haven't paired before, it will ask you to pair. You need to tap on the device name. If you have already paired with the device, it will simply try to sync. So you can see there is a vibrator inside the device, so it's trying to vibrate. So now it's I need to update the latest version of the software, so I'm going to tap on the upgrade button, and this will allow the app to transfer the update. Okay, now it's connected, finished. So it's a machine learning 0% complete, unable to detect breathing patterns. So because I have this one far away from my body, we need to clip this onto our body, right next to on a belt or on a shirt or somewhere that it can stay close to your body. When putting on your gadget, make sure the clip is facing outward like this. Now once you have put the gadget onto your body, then the app will sync with the gadget and give you a live feedback. So it has this op right here, has different color. If you're in focus, then it shows a yellow color, and if you're not in focus, then it'll probably show a gray color, or if you're stressed, it will show you a red color. So you can see here, this is currently in a gray color, and it is calibrating breathing pattern every now and then. Now at the top here you see it says machine learning 0% complete. This is because it will take a while for the gadgets in the app to learn your behavior. So probably you have to wait for 2 to 3 days or 5 days, and the longer it is, the more accurate it will give you feedback. So at the moment it is in blue color. It's a feeling calm. So at the moment I'm calm and showing blue. If I'm really trying to concentrate on doing the work, then it will show you that I'm in focus. So I'm really, I don't know if I can try to be really stressed to see if it actually shows the red color. So I'm just trying to think about something else to make myself stressed, but actually it just show a gray color. Now you can also long press on this, and sometimes it provides a feedback. So if I just press and hold into it for a few seconds, it would give me an explanation of why it is. So there are two functions down here, deep work and focus boost. So if I tap on deep work, then I can start a new session. So I'm just going to exit that and then tap on the start button, and then this graph kind of like helps me to stay in focus and trying to do my work. There's this mute. I can tap on this focus biofeedback, so that can helps me concentrate on doing my work. This also I can tap on that to have relaxation biofeedback, and it show me the percentage of the of my current relaxation. Now there is also a settings in here that you can go in. So if I tap on this icon here, it goes into like a graph, and because this is quite new, so there's no information yet, but if you give it several days, then more information will flow through, and there will be some record in here that allow you to compare between today and yesterday, whether you stay in focus, if you're in deep focus or not. And there's also a settings icon up here. If you tap on that, you can go on here and you can check information about the device, such as the battery, percentage remaining. You can update the software, you can set the vibrate settings, so you can change the intensity, turn on vibration or off. Then you can set the distraction alert settings as well, so whether if the device detects that you are fatigued, stress, or your focus is slipping away, you can switch it on, and distraction alert as well. And here if we tap on, so just going back one more, focus boost. So you can see here it's showing that I'm feeling stressed at the moment. So if I tap on focus boost, and it helps me to stay focused. So do what the information here present for you to do. So deep relaxation. So in here you can try to stay relaxed and keep you calm. So if you go back in here, so this is the feedback here, right here, the orb. It changes color. So if you try to do some work, you want to get it to yellow, so you want to focus on doing the work. And if this is not yellow, that means you're not concentrating. You need to get back to concentrating on your work. Now the foci are designed to work best when you are working or sitting down on a desk, not when you're running out in the field playing football. So if you want to make sure that this one works accurately, make sure that you sit down on the desk and then start the deep work session or focus boost, and that is when it works best. And have this one attached right next to your skin for it to detect your breathing pattern. Also, once you charge up this device, it takes around 2 hours to charge up this gadget, and it can last up to 7 days depending on your usage, but it can last up around 7 days. So that's pretty cool, and I'm really excited about this gadget because often I get carried away, and I don't, during the work I just get carried away doing something else and I'm not concentrating. So this definitely going to help you out if you're going to try to improve your study. If you are doing the exam and you're not focusing, you keep getting distracted, then the foci can help you improve your study by boosting your focus and concentration. Also, it can improve your work productivity by simply allowing you to stay more in focus. Now, one thing I found with this FOCI gadget is that the clip is quite strong, so it can be hard to put into your pants or your belt. So you can see here the clip, you really have to use two hands. You can't just use one hand to open it. It has to be with two hands, and you have to really stretch it out, so it's a bit difficult to clip onto your pants. Apart from that, yeah, it's really good if you are a type of person that can easily get distracted. Then I would recommend you get one of this and help you just stay in focus, whether it's study or work, or thinking about future, doing something for the future. Then getting one of this helps you stay in focus. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.